Do you have a Dalton filter system and want to make sure it's always performing at its best? We'll show you the simple steps to clean your filter so it keeps working efficiently throughout its life. But before you start cleaning, you'll need to remove the filter from its housing. If you're cleaning your under-counter system, make sure to turn off the stop tap, then run the drinking tap until the water stops flowing to avoid any spills. Grab a clean scouring pad and turn on a different tap. Now with that water running, place the filter under the stream and start scrubbing it gently with a scouring pad. Keep scrubbing until you reveal that fresh cream colour that the filter had when it was brand new. Once your filter is clean and looking good as new, simply screw it back into its housing and it's ready to keep providing you with clean, filtered, fresh tasting water.